Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Helix Midnight Elite from Helix Mattress. The Elite series is their latest offering. It's the most premier in their lineup, offering the most layers, highest price point, and actually the thickest profile. So these in the Elite series measure 16 inches thick, which are actually the thickest mattresses you can find in a box nowadays. So thick that they actually have to put them in 2 boxes. And you can see that in my unboxing video. So just to go over the company in general, Helix has been around for quite a while. They've been a player in the online mattress space since about 2015, 2016. And they've gone through a lot of changes over the years. Most recently, they've merged with 3Z Brands. That houses multiple brands like Brooklyn Bedding, Helix, Lisa, Nola, and a few others. So this mattress is actually made in Arizona where Brooklyn Bedding started. So the Brooklyn Bedding mattresses are made in the same factory as Helix. Good quality. They kind of all have this trademark stitched edge. So they've all gotten away from that zippered cover, whether you like that or not. But starting with the construction, this is a really thick mattress, multiple layers. So let's start with the top. It does have the Glaciotex cooling cover. That's that phase change material that you find on a lot of mattresses. Cool to the touch, draws heat away. Great if you sleep hot. Pretty much essential for a mattress like this because as you can see, I'm sinking in quite a bit to this mattress. So you do want something to pull heat away as you will be surrounded by the mattress quite a bit. Now, the setup of this mattress is a 2-step process. The first part is you're going to unzip the base layer, which is the base layer of foam, and then you have your zoned coil system. So you have the firmer coils at the middle, you have the perimeter edge support, levels you out. Very essential in a mattress like this because you do need to get proper hip support so you don't start hammocking due to all the layers. Once you get that on, you'll notice that there's just another transitional layer of foam above that, and then there'll be a zipper. What you want to do then is take the other part of the mattress out of the box and then zip that on. The other part, so what I'm going to do is actually unzip it so you can see. I'll come around this way. It comes basically as a mattress into itself. So the top layer is going to be that Energex foam, which these brands are known for. It's a foam that's responsive like latex, but contours like foam. And you'll see it comes in a black packaging like this. It's going to have Midnight on the side, so you know it is the Midnight. This one also comes in a zipper, and we're going to take this apart and show you pictures of it. But this is really interesting. I mean, you could almost sleep on this if you want. What this is another layer of foam. And then you have what they are, these steel microcoils. They're these little coils that you can squish with your finger. They're no more than like maybe ½ an inch thick. And you have a couple layers of these with another layer of foam in between, and then another layer of foam underneath that. So what you get is instead of layering on all these layers of foam and creating too doughy of a surface, the microcoils act as sort of this reactive buffer where it gives the mattress more recovery and support and more buoyancy so that you're not having to dig yourself out of the hole every time you want to change positions. So I thought it was a nice touch. These mattresses are their most expensive in their line. These do come in at about $2,750 for a queen after their discount. So they are definitely quite a bit more expensive. But as I said, you are sort of getting like 2 mattresses in one. As far as how it compares to the original Midnight, it's definitely softer. So you're definitely going to be sinking in this more right away. Probably only would recommend it for dedicated side sleeping, somebody who needs the most pressure relief, anybody that's really trying to address shoulder or hip issues. This would be a good mattress to try. Of course, you can't go wrong if you decide it doesn't work. It is a free return within the trial period. And it does come with their standard warranty and everything else. So definitely recommend this if you've been through some other online brands that just aren't cutting it for you in terms of pressure relief and softness. Definitely give the Helix Midnight Elite a try. It is a little bit more, but compared to Some of the other brands out there, like a Stearns, this is roughly about the same price, maybe even a little less depending on which Stearns model you get. And as you can see, you are getting a lot of good quality layers. So head on over to yonder.com for the full review and the latest discounts.